Alright, CTC 3D printer, fresh out of the box. Haven't done anything yet. Just trying to document everything, give YouTube a view. This is the CTC 3D printer from eBay. I mean, it was packaged really well. So you still got the head there. I didn't find the directions yet. It's all plywood, laser etched. So you got the little LCD screen. Let me pull this off. And you got your camera port or your SD card right there. And then over here, this is the sample roll it comes with, 2.2 pounds, nothing spectacular. China. And then here we have the goodie bag, well, goodie box. And you see we've got tools, there's the SD card, directions, so I'm going to be getting into those. I don't know if I'm going to make a video for that. I mean, people can pretty much read and figure it out by themselves. I just want to take a video after I get it all up and going. Will it print right out of the box? So, and other crap here. We got USB 2.0. Some kind of power cable. I got dual extruders, so these are the two holders for the spools. And we got a power cord, which a lot of the printers out there have the bricks. This is one of the few that have the computer power supply that does 110 or 240, 115 or 130 or 230, whatever they call them. They can't figure it out. It's nominal. And the extruder tubes for the filament. And I guess they're saying they test printed something. Here's a little figure. Really doesn't focus very well. That's what happens when you take videos on an iPhone. Maybe I can come out here, get a little more detail. Not horrible. If it printed like that, I wouldn't be upset. Alright, so that's the contents of the box, how it comes. And after I read the directions and get some stuff on there, I'll take a video of it doing its first print.